There is a country in the southeastern corner of Europe that sits directly on top of a tectonic collision zone. It is a nation where the geography is so rugged that a mountain peak was literally blown up with dynamite just to build a communist spaceship. It is home to a valley that produces half the world's supply of a single, incredibly rare flower, an ocean with no oxygen, and the oldest processed gold in the history of human civilization. Most people picture Bulgaria as just another post-Soviet state on the Black Sea, or a cheap summer holiday destination. They have no idea. Bulgaria is a geological fortress, an ancient cultural crossroad, and a country physically divided by a massive wall of rock. Today, we are counting down 32 facts about Bulgaria that will fundamentally change how you see the heart of the Balkan Peninsula. Some of these will surprise you, some will unsettle you, and one of them, the one we've saved for last, explains why the geography of this country accidentally preserved a 6,000-year-old mystery. Let's dive in. Fact 32, the Balkan Spine. If you look at a topographic map of Bulgaria, you will see a massive, jagged spine of rock running horizontally across the entire country, from the border with Serbia all the way to the Black Sea. This is the Balkan mountain range, known locally as the Stara Planina. It doesn't just define the landscape, it divides the nation completely in two. The mountains act as a massive geographic wall, separating the temperate continental climate of northern Bulgaria from the warmer Mediterranean-influenced plains of the south. The geography of the country is literally split down the middle. Fact 31, the naming of a peninsula. The Balkan Mountains are so dominant and so geographically significant that the entire southeastern region of Europe, the Balkan Peninsula, is named after them. The word Balkan is actually Turkish for a chain of wooded mountains. The geography of a single Bulgarian mountain range gave its name to an entire geopolitical region that includes Greece, Croatia, Serbia, and Romania. Fact 30, the mountain spaceship. High atop Buzludzha Peak in the central Balkan Mountains sits one of the most bizarre and terrifying monuments on Earth. Built by the communist government in 1981, it looks exactly like a massive concrete UFO stranded on a freezing, windswept ridge. But the geography made building it nearly impossible. To create a flat foundation for the massive structure, engineers used TNT to literally blow the top off the mountain, reducing the peak's height by 9 meters. The geography was violently altered to accommodate a political symbol that is now completely abandoned and slowly crumbling in the snow. Fact 29, the Valley of Roses. Tucked safely between the Balkan Mountains to the north and the Sredna Gora Mountains to the south is a geographic anomaly known as the Rose Valley. The surrounding mountains create a perfect, highly specific microclimate. They block the freezing northern winds while trapping moisture and mild air. Because of this exact geographic setup, this single valley produces roughly half of the world's supply of rose oil, a crucial ingredient in the global perfume industry. The geography of the valley is literally worth its weight in gold. If you subscribe to this channel, you already know we uncover the geography nobody else talks about, so hit that button right now to join us. Fact 28, the highest peak. While the Balkan Mountains divide the country, they aren't the highest. In the southwest lies the Rila mountain range, home to Musala Peak. Standing at 2,925 meters, it is not just the highest mountain in Bulgaria, it is the highest peak in the entire Balkan Peninsula. It is a massive glaciated dome of granite that traps freezing air, making it the coldest place in the country, with temperatures regularly dropping below -30 degrees Celsius. Fact 27, the 7 Rila Lakes. Carved into the high-altitude granite of the Rila Mountains is a massive, terraced glacial cirque holding 7 pristine, freezing lakes. They are connected by small streams that form tiny waterfalls as the water cascades down the mountain. Because of the extreme elevation, the lakes are completely frozen solid from October to June. The geography is so pure and untouched that it has become a spiritual gathering place for thousands of people every summer who hike up to dance in concentric circles around the water. Fact 26, the Belogradchik Rocks. In the northwest corner of Bulgaria, the landscape suddenly turns alien. The Belogradchik Rocks are a massive, sprawling complex of bizarre, towering sandstone and conglomerate rock formations. Some of the pillars reach over 200 meters high. They were formed over 200 million years ago when the region was the bottom of a shallow sea, and then sculpted by millions of years of wind and water erosion. The rocks are so massive and defensible that the Romans, and later the Ottomans, built an entire fortress seamlessly integrated into the natural stone pillars. The geography provided the walls. Humans just added the gates. Fact 25. The Black Sea Isolation. Bulgaria's entire eastern border is the Black Sea coastline, but the Black Sea is geographically broken because it is only connected to the global ocean by the incredibly narrow and shallow Bosporus Strait in Turkey. The deeper waters of the sea never mix with the oxygen-rich surface water. Below a depth of about 200 meters, the Black Sea is completely anoxic. It contains zero oxygen. It is the largest meromictic basin in the world. Fact 24. The Preserved Shipwrecks. Because that deep water has no oxygen, the wood-eating organisms that normally destroy sunken ships cannot survive there. The anoxic layer of the Black Sea off the coast of Bulgaria is a massive, deep-water museum. Archaeologists have found perfectly preserved Greek, Roman, and Byzantine trading ships sitting upright on the seafloor. Their wooden masts and intricate carvings completely untouched by decay for thousands of years. The geography of the sea created a perfect, freezing time capsule. Fact 23. The Varna fault line. Bulgaria sits dangerously close to the Varna seismic zone in neighboring Romania. The tectonic plates beneath the region are constantly grinding against each other. In 1977, a massive earthquake originating deep in the Varna zone sent shockwaves racing south across the plains, devastating the northern Bulgarian town of Svistov and killing over 100 people. The flat geography of the northern Danubian plain offers absolutely no resistance to the seismic waves rolling off the mountains. Fact 22. The Thermal Abundance. Because of all that tectonic friction, the crust beneath Bulgaria is heavily fractured. This allows superheated water from deep within the earth to rise to the surface. Bulgaria has over 700 natural mineral and hot springs, making it one of the most geothermally active countries in Europe. The capital city of Sofia was literally built around these boiling springs. The Romans established the city of Serdica here specifically because the geography provided endless, naturally heated water. Fact 21. The Iskar Gorge. The massive wall of the Balkan Mountains seems impenetrable, but there is one crack. The Iskar River is the longest river entirely within Bulgaria, and it did something geographically impossible. It cut straight through the mountains. Over millions of years, the river carved the spectacular Iskar Gorge, a narrow, twisting canyon that stretches for 65 kilometers through solid rock. It is the only natural passage through the center of the mountain range, and historically, whoever controlled the gorge controlled the movement of armies across the peninsula. Fact 20. The Thracian Plain. South of the mountains lies the Upper Thracian Plain, a massive, flat expanse of incredibly fertile land. This plain is the agricultural engine of Bulgaria, but historically, it was an invasion highway. Because it is flat and wide open to the east, it provided a perfect, frictionless route for the Ottoman Empire to march its armies deep into the heart of the Balkans. The geography that makes the region so perfect for farming also made it impossible to defend. Fact 19. The Rhodope Mountains. While the Balkan Mountains are a jagged spine, the Rhodope Mountains in the south are a massive, rolling labyrinth of deep river gorges, dense pine forests, and hidden caves. The geography here is so rugged and isolated that it became a sanctuary. During the 500 years of Ottoman rule, many Bulgarians fled deep into the Rhodopes to preserve their religion and culture. The mountains acted as a geographic shield against forced assimilation. Fact 18. The Devil's Throat. Hidden deep within the Rhodope Mountains is the Trigrad Gorge, a terrifying vertical canyon carved by a raging river. The river plunges directly into a massive cave known as the Devil's Throat, dropping 42 meters straight down into the darkness in one of the highest underground waterfalls in Europe. The water disappears into a subterranean siphon, and anything dropped into the cave, logs, debris, even dye, takes hours to emerge on the other side, or simply never comes out at all. The cave is a massive, geological black hole. Fact 17. The shifting borders. Because Bulgaria is located at the exact crossroads of Europe and Asia, its borders have been violently redrawn for centuries. After World War I, the Treaty of Neuilly stripped Bulgaria of its access to the Aegean Sea, handing the territory to Greece. The country was geographically amputated, permanently cutting off its southern maritime trade routes and locking its coastline entirely to the isolated Black Sea. Fact 16. The oldest city. The geography of the Thracian plain didn't just attract invaders, it attracted the very first settlers. The city of Plovdiv, built on 7 syenite hills rising out of the flat plain, is considered the oldest continuously inhabited city in Europe. People have been living on these easily defensible geographic high points for over 8,000 years. The hills provided a perfect natural fortress in the middle of an exposed plain. Fact 15. The Melnik Pyramids. In the extreme southwest, near the border with Greece, the landscape looks like it is melting. The Melnik Earth Pyramids are a massive expanse of sheer, vertical sand and clay formations that reach up to 100 meters high. They were formed by intense soil erosion, as the soft sediment is constantly washed away by rain. The geography is so fragile that the pyramids are actively changing shape every single year. Fact 14. The Danube border. The entire northern border of Bulgaria is defined by a single geographic feature, the Danube River. It is a massive, wide barrier separating Bulgaria from Romania. For most of modern history, there was only one bridge connecting the two countries across the river. The geography of the Danube acted as a massive moat, isolating northern Bulgaria and forcing all trade and transit through a single, easily controlled choke point. Fact 13. The shrinking population. Despite its beautiful geography, Bulgaria holds a dark demographic record. It has the fastest shrinking population of any country in the world. Since the fall of communism, the population has plummeted from nearly 9 million to under 6.5 million. The mountainous rural geography makes infrastructure and economic development incredibly difficult, driving millions of young Bulgarians to emigrate to Western Europe. The harsh landscape is slowly emptying out. Fact 12. The Prohodna Cave. In the Iskar Gorge lies the Prohodna Cave, famous for a terrifying geological anomaly. The ceiling of the massive cavern has 2 naturally formed, perfectly symmetrical almond-shaped holes. When it rains, water pours through the holes like tears. They are known locally as the Eyes of God. It is a stunning, completely natural optical illusion carved by millions of years of water eroding the limestone ceiling. Fact 11. The Stone Desert. Near the Black Sea coast lies Pobedi Kamani, also known as the Stone Desert. It is a bizarre, arid landscape filled with hollow, cylindrical stone columns that look like the ruins of an ancient temple, but they are entirely natural. They were formed 50 million years ago, when the area was a seabed, created by methane gas bubbling up through the sand and calcifying into solid stone tubes. It is one of the only naturally occurring deserts in Europe. Fact 10. The Communist Concrete. During the Cold War, the Soviet-backed government attempted to conquer the geography. They built massive, brutalist concrete monuments and hydroelectric dams across the country, trying to tame the wild rivers and mountains. The landscape of Bulgaria is still scarred by these massive, decaying concrete structures, a physical reminder of an empire that tried to bend the geography to its will and failed. Fact 9. The Linguistic Divide. The rugged geography of the Balkan Mountains didn't just separate the climate, it isolated the people. The mountains are so difficult to cross that the Bulgarian language developed distinct, highly different dialects on the northern and southern sides of the range. Even today, someone from a remote village in the northern mountains might struggle to understand someone from the southern valleys. The rock wall literally split the language. Fact 8. The Missing Snow. Despite having some of the highest mountains in the region, Bulgaria's geography is highly vulnerable to climate change. The ski resorts in the Rila and Pirin Mountains rely heavily on consistent winter snowfall. But because the country is located so far south, the rising global temperatures are causing the snow line to rapidly retreat up the mountains. The geography that built the winter tourism industry is slowly melting away. Fact 7. The Krushuna Waterfalls. Hidden in the northern karst landscape are the Krushuna Waterfalls, the largest travertine cascade in the country. The water here is so heavily saturated with dissolved calcium carbonate that as it flows over the rocks, it constantly deposits new layers of limestone, actively building new pools and terraces. The river isn't just flowing over the geography, it is actively constructing it. Fact 6. The Roma Isolation. The geography of Bulgaria's cities reflects its deep social divides. In many Bulgarian cities, the Roma minority population is pushed into isolated, geographically segregated neighborhoods, often located on the steep, undesirable outskirts of the towns or in flood-prone valleys. The physical geography of the cities is used to enforce social separation. Fact 5. The deepest gorge. While the Iskar Gorge is the longest, the Kresna Gorge in the Pirin Mountains is the most dramatic. The Struma River has carved a brutal, narrow canyon through solid marble. The walls of the gorge are nearly vertical, creating a massive geographic bottleneck. It is so narrow that building a modern highway through it has sparked a massive environmental battle, as the road threatens to destroy the fragile, isolated ecosystem trapped at the bottom of the canyon. Fact 4. The disappearing coast. The beautiful Black Sea beaches of Bulgaria are under threat. Because the sea level is slowly rising and the coastal geography is largely made of soft clay and sand, the coastline is suffering from severe erosion. In some areas, the cliffs are collapsing into the sea, taking houses and roads with them. The country is slowly losing its eastern edge to the water. Fact 3. The Golden Sands. Just north of Varna lies a massive resort area known as Golden Sands. The geography here is unique because the beach is backed by a dense, natural forest sitting on a steep limestone plateau. The combination of the hot, sandy beach and the cool, shaded forest creates a highly specific microclimate that has drawn tourists since the Soviet era. It is a manufactured paradise built on a geographic anomaly. Fact 2. The Thracian Tombs. The ancient Thracians, who ruled this land thousands of years ago, didn't build massive stone pyramids. They built their tombs into the geography itself. Across the Valley of Roses, there are hundreds of massive, man-made earthen mounds covering intricate, stone-built tombs. They altered the flat landscape by building artificial hills to hide their dead kings. One fact left. And fact number 1 explains how the geography of Bulgaria accidentally protected the oldest treasure on Earth. Fact 1. The Varna Necropolis. In 1972, a tractor operator digging near the Black Sea city of Varna unearthed something impossible. It was a massive, prehistoric burial site. Inside the graves, archaeologists found over 3,000 individual gold artifacts. Radiocarbon dating proved the gold was over 6,500 years old. It is the oldest processed gold ever found in the history of human civilization, predating the pyramids of Egypt and the cities of Mesopotamia by centuries. But why was it found here? Because of the geography. The Varna Lakes provided a perfect sheltered harbor off the Black Sea, while the surrounding mountains offered protection and rich mineral deposits. This exact geographic combination allowed a highly advanced, incredibly wealthy society to flourish here thousands of years before the rest of Europe. The geography of the Bulgarian coast didn't just hide a treasure, it hid the very dawn of human civilization. Bulgaria isn't just a country, it is a tectonic fracture, an anoxic sea, and a landscape that holds the deepest secrets of human history. Subscribe if you want more geography that actually surprises you. And if you've ever hiked the 7 Rila Lakes, tell me in the comments, did you jump in the freezing water?